3 steps to lose weight that will last. When it comes to losing weight, there are no magic pills or secret diets that can help you reach your weight loss goals. But you can achieve your goals with these 3 steps to help lose weight. Like most things in life, losing weight, a lot of weight, boils down to conscious effort, discipline, determination, and perseverance. Losing 10, 20, 50 or 100 pounds or more all comes back to what you do on a daily basis. If you do what you're supposed to do, eat right plus exercise, day in and day out, you will eventually lose all the weight you want. However, if you throw caution to the wind, may never see your weight loss dreams come true. This, my friend, is the saddest scenario there is. If you're bored of being fat, if you're tired of being overweight, if you're ready to start your new life today, then hold on, because I am about to give you the simple yet extremely effective weight loss plan you've been waiting for. Are you ready? I am going to tell you in no uncertain terms what you have to do to lose all the weight you want in 3 easy-to-do steps. However, in order for this to work, you must maintain your focus and discipline every day to keep doing the steps until you reach your desired results. Even if you falter and veer off your weight loss track, it's okay. If you are able to quickly get back on track, you will over time reap the benefits of dramatic weight loss and improved health. And now, without further ado, here are your 3 basic steps to weight loss. 1. Eat less. 2. Eat better. 3. Exercise. There they are. What do you think? A little anticlimactic, huh? Maybe you were expecting more. Well, let me tell you, if you are able to grasp and implement this powerfully safe and effective weight loss plan, as you will never again have to spend another unnecessary dime on weight loss products that don't work. You see, your body is a fine-tuned weight loss management machine. If you follow the right plan and give your body only what it needs to survive, it will do all the hard work for you. Given enough time and following the 3 steps above, you can lose tens and even hundreds of pounds without starving yourself or resorting to bogus weight loss pills or dangerous body sculpting surgeries. Now, this is not to say that the road to significant weight loss will be easy or that you will not have to suffer a bit to reach your desired results. There will be days when you feel like throwing in the towel and giving up. On those days, you might just cave into your undeniable cravings and go crazy at your local all-you-can-eat artery-clogging buffet. But hey, that's okay. You're human. Sometimes you have to go a little nuts to get back on track. However, if you are truly committed to reaching even your most seemingly unattainable weight loss goals, you can and will do it by following the plan above. Now, for your benefit, let's go a little deeper into each step of the plan. 1. Eat less. There is really no doubt about it. If you want to lose weight, you have to start eating less. You have to create a calorie deficiency in order for your body to start shedding pounds. If you do not begin to limit how much food you take in, no amount of exercise will help you reach your goals. Eating less of your favorite greasy, fat-filled foods will be the quickest way to dramatic weight loss. It really doesn't matter how much weight you have to lose. Unless you take control of both your conscious and unconscious eating habits, you'll be hard-pressed to lose even 1 pound. No, you have to start cutting back on the amount of food you are used to eating. I've heard of stories where people would go to McDonald's and pack away 2 supersized Big Mac meals. Obviously, this is way too much. In this situation, even cutting down to 1 supersized meal would be an improvement. But, as we will see in our next step, a better plan would be to do away with the supersize meal altogether and start eating better. 2. Eat better. As the saying goes, we are what we eat. If we eat crap, guess what? However, if we learn to eat well, then not only will our waistline thank us for it, but we'll also feel better about ourselves to boot. One of the quickest changes you can make to your diet when trying to lose weight is to ditch all the junk food you may be used to eating: chips, sodas, pizzas, donuts, cookies, etc., and start eating more vegetables. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You may still be traumatized by your mother not letting you get up from the dinner table until you finished all your broccoli, but let me tell you, your mother was right. If you can fill half your plate at every meal with high fiber and nutrient-packed vegetables, you are well on your way to significant and long-lasting weight loss. This is probably one of the simplest things you can do to really kickstart your weight loss journey. While it might not be easy to start eating vegetables at every meal, the sooner you begin the better off you'll be and the quicker the weight will start to melt off your body. 3. Exercise. In order to kick your weight loss adventure into high gear, you have to get your body moving. I don't care if you call it working out, exercising, aerobics, or whatever, the point is you have to do something to get your heart rate up and your sweat glands working overtime. Exercise is the key to sustainable, long-lasting and real weight loss. For every pound you lose by eating right and exercising, that is one more pound that will never come back to haunt you. Why? Because you now know that secret to safe and effective weight loss. If you ever feel yourself creeping back up on the dreaded scale of fat, all you have to do is put these 3 steps into action and watch as you stabilize and contradict any unwanted weight gain. By exercising on a regular basis, you are giving your body the energy boost it needs to ramp up your metabolism rate to start efficiently and effectively losing weight on a daily basis. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty darn good to me. The more you push yourself physically, the faster you will see a change in your body occur. You may not have to work out with a personal trainer every day, but you do need to do something. Be it going for a walk, running, swimming, biking, hiking, or any other physical activity you like to do, start doing it now. Don't spend another night on the couch watching the latest reruns. Get your body moving and start losing weight today.